Did you know there's a marketing channel with an 85% open rate? Did you know that 58% of customers want you to reach them via SMS? What if I told you that SMS marketing might just be the key to unlocking massive ROI and sales? Hey, what's up? I'm Farha Saida from Telugu Communications. And today, I'm going to teach you all you need to know about SMS marketing in just a few minutes. To get more free SMS updates and helpful content on how to use SMS for your business like a pro, subscribe to our channel. SMSCountry makes using SMS for your business easy, smooth, and effective. When you sign up, you get free credits to test your platform as well. Check us out today at SMSCountry.com. You can sign up for free or see how it works with a free demo. Now let's get into it. First of all, what is SMS marketing? SMS marketing is doing with SMS what you already do with email, social media, and ads. That is, selling your product or services and satisfying your customers via SMS. That's right. SMS marketing offers you everything you would get with email marketing. The major difference? Higher open rates for SMS marketing. Now let's look at the type of SMS marketing. Promotional SMSs are sent to customers to build awareness of a product, business, or service. The promotional SMS on screen is inviting this customer to patronize the business. And like all good promotional SMSs, this offer comes with a juice catch, a 30% discount. Another type of SMS marketing is discount SMSs. Discount SMSs are just as the name implies. These are text messages that offer unique codes, discount, and other promotions like the example on the screen. Survey messages go out to customers to gather information. How do your customers feel about your business or services? What is your customer experience like? Do they have tips you can implement? These messages, like the one on the screen, are most common with hospitality, customer support, and healthcare businesses. If you are in the logistic business, however, you should be most concerned with the next SMS type. Businesses use transactional SMS to update customers on order status and delivery details. Some argue that transactional SMSs aren't really SMS marketing, but we say that these messages help solidify customer loyalty. And to the last type of SMS marketing, use updates and alerts when you have important information for your customers. Like this message on screen alerting customers about new arrivals. With a 98% open rate, there's no other marketing channel that yields returns like SMS marketing. I hope this video exposed you to SMS marketing. If it has, let us know in the comment section. Please like it and share so that more people like you can find it. Interested in learning more about SMS marketing? Go through our library of useful videos and articles. The link will be in the description. And my parting gift to you, SMSCountry. With SMSCountry, you can access the most reliable bulk SMS advertising platform. What are you waiting for? Visit www.smscountry.com today. Sign up and receive a free demo to test our services. You can also book a demo to learn more about how you can use SMSCountry to grow your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube videos like this. Until next time, it's bye from me.